Watch the house, guys.
Hey, he's killing a tree.
It's gonna push the chimney over.
Oh.
Maybe? Just gonna give it a little nudge. Oh.
Just smash the roof. Honestly, just get a huge boiler, and then get this, and then get this like.
Oh, look at the chimney. He's gonna fall over.
Hold up.
Watch.
To pull it up and then.
Watch the chimney, Hunter.
Whoa!
Watch the chimney.
Is he afraid?
There it goes. Oh. That was funny. Look at there it goes.
Whoa. Did you hear that? Oh, it did. Oh, you stink. That was.